A lot of attorneys are experimenting with whether they can use Microsoft Copilot safely in client meetings and whether or not they can, protect confidentiality and preserve attorney-client privilege. So if you're not familiar with Copilot, if you have a PC computer, Copilot lives in your operating system. It's one of those tools, those AI tools that is available to you. And if you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, the way that you could leverage Copilot is by having it listen to the meeting. And sometimes you can see it as a summary of the conversation that's taking place, or you can see the output more as a real-time transcription. What it is not able to do in real time is actually analyze that conversation for potential follow-up questions or for legal content. If you do want to ask Copilot to produce specific results, you do have to manually prompt it during the conversation or after the conversation. So the important part about leveraging Microsoft Copilot, though, is you really have to be careful about what version you're using and the terms and conditions that apply to it. When you're using a tool such as Querious, an AI note taker that is designed for attorneys, it was very carefully created from a product architecture standpoint to protect confidentiality and protect attorney-client privilege. The way it does that is, it's in a private cloud environment. It doesn't train off your data, and it also, reduces the amount of data that is retained by that tool. On the other hand, different versions of Copilot, you have to be very careful. They can, certain versions do allow training off of your data, and the retention period can really vary depending on the version of the tool that you're using. A key functional consideration is what will be happening in real time during that conversation. So with Microsoft Copilot, attorneys can expect to see some real-time transcription taking place or light summarization. They can even manually prompt Microsoft Copilot to answer some basic questions. With a purpose-built tool, though, like Querious, attorneys will see a level of conversational analysis taking place in real time, meaning you will receive recommendations about potential follow-up questions, potential legal issues that are being raised by the conversation. And so it's a very different feel. Querious can really support how to make those client conversations more productive in those critical moments with your clients.